How to collaborate on Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open the design you want to collaborate on or create a new project by clicking the Create or Design button if you haven't already. Once your design is open, click the Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. You can set permissions for each person, allowing them to view, comment, or edit the design depending on your collaboration needs. Alternatively, you can generate a shareable link and adjust the link settings to give collaborators access to view, comment, or edit your project. Collaborators can now open the design and make edits in real time. You will see their changes live and they can leave comments or suggestions directly on the design. For team projects, you can also invite collaborators to your Canva team, making it easier to manage multiple projects and communicate efficiently within the platform. Once collaboration is complete, you can manage permissions or remove access anytime from the Share menu. Now you know how to collaborate on Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.